Okay. So next concept is what? Hierarchical levels of testing. Okay. Hierarchical levels of testing. Unit testing, integration testing, software testing, and user acceptance testing. These are the four types of, okay, these are the four types of hierarchical levels of testing. Okay. Integration, the unit testing is what? Okay. Developers test the, see this one, unit testing. Already we said that. Okay. Programmers can test the program based on low level design. Integration testing, programmers can test the program interconnections based on high level design. Software testing means programmers or testers can conduct the testing on SRS documents. So the user acceptance means testers conducting on BRS documents is called as a user acceptance testing. These are the four types. So what is document testing? See this one. In real time, this is the process. Okay, in real time. So if you can follow V model or SRS model or Agile Scrum model or user stories, V model, SRS, Agile Scrum or user stories. Okay, in general, HDLC process start from where? HDLC process starting from gathering the requirements by clients by BA, gathering requirements from clients by business analyst. In this stage, business analyst can prepare the BRS documents and the same BA can review the BRS documents, okay, for completeness and correctness. So after completion of BRS documents, testing by BA. So yes, sir, yes, a system analyst can conduct analysis on BRS documents and prepare what test cases, and prepare SRS documents. So same as a review the SRS document for completeness and correction. So what is the SRS document? SRS document contains overview about the project, prototypes, pager form elements, input validations, error messages, and use case diagrams. These all are comes under the SRS document. So SRS document is what combination of FRS plus NFRS. FRS means functional requirement specification. NFRS means non-functional requirement specification. Okay. So after completion of SRS documents by SAA, so technical architect can prepare, okay, can prepare design documents based on SRS documents. In the same technical architect review the design documents for what completeness and correctness. There are two types of design documents. These two: high level design, low level design. High level design means what? High level design means overall architecture of a complete software is called as high level design. Means modules connection. So low level design means internal architecture of a specific module. Okay. So next here, see this one. As a manual tester, we are going to conduct verification. Okay. As a manual tester, we are going to conduct verification and what? Study the user story documents, understand the user story documents. Okay. And clarify the doubts from PA. Okay. Product owner, BA. Okay. Next, and prepare the test cases, test scenarios, and test data. This is the, as the manual tester, we can do this process. Okay, next walkthrough means what? So a step-by-step presentation conduct an author to provide common understanding on a subject. Okay, a step-by-step presentation conduct an author. Okay, to provide common understanding subject is called as walkthroughs. So peer reviews. One tester can prepare, another tester can reviewed by the another tester is called as what? Peer reviews. Unit testing means programmer can test a program based on low-level design is called as unit testing. So unit testing is also called as what? Modules testing and component testing. Okay, so unit testing is conducted by whom? Programmers and developers. So for unit testing, programming skills and coding skills are required. So unit testing comes under white box testing. Dynamic testing. This also comes under white box testing also. Okay, these three are the unit testing techniques. Okay, see this one, unit testing programmers can follow white box testing techniques. This is what white box testing techniques. These three. Okay. So about techniques also calls are white box, open box, glass box, and clear box are programming testing techniques. What are those three? Liner statement coverage, conditional control structure, control structure coverage, and program technique coverage. These three. Okay, liner statement coverage, conditional control structure coverage, and program technique coverage. See this one, create trip. Unit to model, okay, and component. Unit, module, and component. These three. So you can book on flight tickets, hotels, clear trip for on the top offers, gift cards. Okay, these all are can through the unit testing, module testing, and component testing. See this one, application developed by whom? Developers. By what? using the code. So application developed by the developers by using code. So to develop module or unit or component test, coding is required. Okay. So coding is required here. Conducting testing on each component, unit and module by using about three techniques is called as what? UMC testing. So line and statement coverage means programmers can test this technique. Okay. Confirm that each line is executing or not, or each line is working or not at least once. Okay. Program can use this technique to confirm that okay, each line of the code is working or okay, it is each line of the coding is executing. We check at least once. See this one, read A, read B. Okay. So I like int A, int B means. Okay. So if A greater than B, can print what? A is greater than B. Else B greater than A. Print what? B is greater than A. This in this example, see this one. A value is what? 4 here. B value is 2 here. So A equal to 4 means executed. B equal to 2 means executed. So 4 greater than or equal to 2 means what? 4 is the bigger value than 2. So that's why condition is true here. It is what executed. So it is executed means what? Print the A is greater than B. That is what 4 is greater than 2. So here the complete, this is also executed. Here the program is what? Terminated. So remaining these three statements are not executed. See this one. In this case, first 4 lines will be executed. 5, 6, 7 lines are not executed here. Okay. So same example, A value to change. Okay. And B value to 4. So first 2 lines what executed. A equal to initialization is also possible here. So after that, see this one, if comparison, 2 greater than or equal to 4. So 2 is bigger than 4? No, not. So that's why the condition is what here? False. So it is what executed. But print statement is not executed. Why means this condition is false. That's why print statement is not executed. So then what? Else condition is executed. Next 4 greater than 2 means yes, 4 is the greater than value of 4 2. Okay, that's why the condition is true here. That is what executed. Now 4 is greater than 2. In this case, it is executed. In this case, except 4th line. Okay, remaining all lines are executed. 6 lines are executed. Okay. So what is one? Line and controls, line and statement, line or statement coverage. Okay. So programmers can use this programmers can use this technique to confirm that each line of the code are working or not at least once. So next what? Conditional control structure coverage. See this one. Programmers can use this technique to confirm that program is giving correct output or not. Okay, it is giving correct output or not, we can check this one. So it is what example on a shopping mall, you can take a DMart like this. So if your amount is what 10,000 greater than this is what this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Case one what? So your amount is 12,000. 12,000 is greater than or equal to 10,000. Yes, it is true condition. Okay, this is a discount amount of what 600. Total amount 11,400. It will be displayed. Okay. Next amount is 10,000. 10,000 greater than or equal to 10,000 means condition is true. Okay, the total amount is also displayed. Now same condition. So the amount is less than the this amount 10,000. So its condition was what? False here. So total amount is 8,800. This one. This is what programmers can use this technique to confirm that the program is giving correct output or not. We can check for conditional or control structure coverage. Okay. So last one is what? Programming technique coverage. So program can use this technique to what? Find the execution speed of program. So this is technique used for execution speed of program. Programmers can use this technique to find the execution speed of program. See this one. There are two examples. One program one. This is what program two. Program one, program two. Okay, there are two programs. So what is the program one? Program one contains what input here? Okay, see this input A equal to 10, B equal to 20, A equal to 10, B equal to 20. This is what initialization. So A is initialized to C here. C value is what 10 here. So A is initialized to B is initialized to A. So A value is what 20 here. So C is initialized to B. B value is what 10 here. So this is gives the initialization. So after that then give the output. So see this one A equal to A plus B. Condition is what 10 plus 2 equal 30. Fresh value. A minus B fresh value. A minus B fresh value. See this one. Program 1 is executed fastly compared to program 2. Why means here initialization is very fastly here. So here each condition we can run separately. Okay. So program 1 is executed fast and program 2 is book more options in the program to take more time to execute. So if you give more program lines, it takes them gives the output what. So some time it can be taken. So that's why you can execute. So you give less code. So it is execute very fastly. So this is what database example. So this one employee name, employee number, employee name, employee salary, from employee department. From where? From employee. Okay, this is the condition is also accepted. Okay, this is a condition. It is also accepted. So next, see this one. Next is what? Okay. So next one is integration testing. So integration testing means what? We know that integration testing. Okay, integration is programmer can test a program interconnections based on high level design. Based on high level design is called what? Integration testing. So we will discuss in next class in integration. So this is what unit testing. Unit testing class is completed. Okay. So thank you.